Hi everybody, welcome to our channel Sci Hub. Nowadays, chatting is the most used mode of the communication, and emoticons are the essential for that type of communication. Do you agree on that? Now, if we can draw emoticons by ourselves, then that will be fun, right? So guys, today our topic is how we can draw different emoticons using JavaScript, and also we will set our mood in our text box, this text box, and based on that mood our emoticons will be displayed here. Okay, let's try. Say sad. Yes, it is sad. Say happy, happy, and angry, angry. Okay, so not wasting much time, let's start it. We have to create a HTML file. Okay, let's save it. Name to that file is smiley.html. okay, so here you can save HTML tag. So let's create the HTML tags. This is my HTML tags. Title, change the title to emotions. Okay, so here we don't need any external CSS and not external JS. We will write the JavaScript in the same page and CSS also in the same page. Okay, you can write in different page and link it to this HTML file also. Now we need to take a canvas element. Okay, so this is canvas element. This element is used to draw some graphics by JavaScript, so you can draw anything by using it. Okay, so let's give it a proper ID. Here I am giving CVS canvas smiley. Okay, so the default size of this canvas is 300 pixel into 150 px. Okay, let's give a border to this, and before that we're going to put this canvas into a div. Okay, and we will set the width of this div is 100%, and now we will give a border to this canvas. Okay, for that I will use the style tag here, style. Okay, and hash because it is ID, so it is hash. If it is class, then that will be dot. Okay, border of this is 1 px, solid and black. So the type of the border is solid and width of the border is 1 pixel and color of the border is black. Let's go to the browser. Hit the browser. See, this is our canvas. The by default size is 300 pixel into 150 px, right? Okay, so we can set a custom height width here of this canvas. Okay, for that let's give the width of this as 80%. Okay, height 55%. Okay, and let's go to the browser. Yes, this is the canvas, and let's give the border background color of this canvas set to purple. Okay, So let's go to the browser, refresh it. This is canvas. Okay, now the time is to create a function, okay, which will actually perform the drawing of different emoticons. Okay, so let's create a function, say draw smiley, script tag, script, and the function draw smiley. We can write the functions like that, this way, but here we will write an ES6 manner. Okay, so we will use that arrow method. We can also sometimes call that arrow method is as a fat arrow. So how can we write this? This is our draw smiley equals, and this parenthesis, here we can pass any parameter, here the arrow. So this is ES6 standardization. So my draw smiley function is ready, and we will call this draw smiley function from document.ready. Okay, so for document.ready, how can write this? Document.on ready state change function arrow, and we will check if the document is loaded completely. Not document.ready state equals to here complete. Okay, sorry, and from within this, there, from here we will call draw smiley. Okay, so within the draw smiley function we need the canvas element. Okay, let's, and then the let canvas variable. Okay, here we are going to store document.get element by id the canvas element. So the canvas element is cnvs smiley canvas smiley. Okay, so here this canvas stored that element canvas smiley. Okay, for now, for displaying something, a script first needs to access the rendering context and draw on it. This rendering context we need. Okay, and for that, how can we write this? Let's take a variable ctx, that is context, and canvas, this element canvas. Okay, canvas dot get context 2d. we need to pass 2d parameter within that get context 2d. So the canvas element has a method named get context. So this get context function is used to get the rendering context and its drawing functions. So first, now we will draw a circle. Okay, we will draw a circle. So first we need to start the begin path of the by begin path method. Okay, so ctx dot begin path, this is the method. Then the arc method will draw that circle. Okay, so ctx dot arc. Okay, so we need to pass some parameters within that arc method. First is start x coordinates. Okay, so start x coordinates. So let's define that start x, say start x is equals to 140, and we need also we need to pass the start y coordinate. Let's set the y coordinates 75. Okay, so we need to pass this start x and start y, and we also need to pass a radius of that circle. Set the radius value 60. Okay, so we need to pass this radius, and then we need to pass angle. If here it is 0, and we are going to draw a full circle, so math dot pi to 2, and we also need to pass, is it a anti-clockwise or clockwise? If it is full circle, so we don't bother it, let's pass it true. Okay, and we need to put the fill style means color of that circle's background. Fill style need to stay set here yellow. Let's take variable color of emoji equals to yellow. Okay, so let's assign its color emoji. Okay, so now we need to call a function called context.fill to fill out this color. Okay, so let's go to the browser. Here the circle is ready. Okay, so if we need any a border like that, or a circle without this color, we need to call a ctx dot stroke. So we can see a black border is there. Okay, so the first thing, the circle is ready for us. Okay, so now we will create the mouth of that icon. Okay, so first we're going to create a happy mouth. Okay, for that we need to move the pen's coordinates to a desired location. So how can we draw a face like this? Okay, so first we need to move the pen's coordinates to a desired location, otherwise it will draw from the previous location, and for that we will use move to. Okay, so move to, I will show you what will happen if we not provide that move to functions. Now we need to draw a semicircle, thinking starting coordinates, and I am taking this, I will take the starting coordinates of this, like this is the center point, and we will take the some reduced radius of this face circle. Okay, so let's go to the code. So after this, first let mouth happy radius, let's take the same, that will be like radius minus say 25. That means mouth happy radius value is 35. Okay, so now we need to move, I said you earlier that we need to move that pane. So how can we move that? Ctx move to function, move that. So we need to pass two coordinates. So that will be start x plus mouth have radius, okay, and the start y, okay, and need to draw that arc, context arc. So we need to pass the parameter start coordinates, that is start x, start y. I told you. Now we will draw a circle center from taking this center point, okay. So start x and start y. The radius of mouth have a radius, and we need to know 0 angle, and here we will not draw the full circle. So math dot pi, and it will be a clockwise, so false. So go to this browser. I think I'm getting some error. Yes, start x is not defined. Go to this start x, okay, so this is start x, okay. So let's go to the browser, refresh it again. The same issue is there. Start y, oh, that should be start y, right? Go to the browser, refresh it, close this. Your happy mouth is ready. Okay, so if we don't use that move to function, then that will the case, because the pin ended here. So when we will draw some circle or like that, it will draw from here, okay. So we need to move this pen to this center, okay. So because if we use only start x, then what will happen, it will draw from here, this. So that's why we use that start x plus mouth happy radius. So our happy mouth is ready. So now we will draw eyes of this face. For that same thing, we need to move the pen. Let's take the eyes, let eyes x coordinate, left eyes x coordinate, start x minus 10 means, yes, our start x was like here, okay. So start x minus 10 is similar like this, and this is our start y, so we will take this here. So our center point will be here, okay. So let's start x minus 10, let left I y is equals to start y minus 10, okay. And I radius, let's set it 5, okay. So first we need to move the pen, ctx dot move to function, and where left ix and left iy, okay. Now we're going to draw a circle. So left ctx arc, we need to pass center point, and that will be left ix minus I radius, and y coordinate left iy, and radius we need to pass I radius angle will be 0. This full circle, so math.pi multiplied by 2 and true or false, anything. So let's, yes, this is right eye, right? Anyways, one of the right eye is there, that is okay. So similarly we will draw another eye. Okay, so let's give the right ix start x plus 20, right y start with minus 10, that will be the same. Okay, eye radius will be same. Okay, so don't need here this line, and we need to move this to right ix and right iy. Okay, so and we need to change this right minus right ix minus right minus I radius, and that will be the right iy. The y coordinates will be the same. Okay, so this is I radius. Let's go to the browser. This is my another I there. So here our happy face is ready. Now it's time to draw sad face. The only difference of happy face and sad face is that mouth. Okay, so let's change. Okay, before that we will pass the mood here, type of mood parameter. Okay, and so this is our face thing, right? So let's check it. If type of mood is equals to happy, let's happy, then it will draw this. Okay, so here we need pass parameter happy. Let's go to the browser, hit it, and if we change it to sad, go to the browser, see it is not coming because this is not drawing the happy mouth. Okay, so now it's time to check the type of mood is equals to sad. Okay, then sad mouth radius, let's take it 25. Okay, dot move to x plus sad mouth radius and start y. Okay, plus start y. Okay, so ctx dot arc. So we are going to draw a semicircle like this way. Okay, not this way. So let's go to the code arc. The starting point will be start x, start y, sad mouth radius, angle 0, and math dot not a full circle, so math.py only, and let's pass it false like this. Let's check it, what will happen. This is drawing the semicircle like this, and let's change like happy face. Okay, let's change it to true. Okay, so what will happen, it is drawing like this. Okay, so we need to change our start x is the same, but we need to change the start y. Let's change that start y to plus 30. So let's refresh it. It is here now. It is coming like this. This is because we need to move that pane coordinates to that start y. Okay, so plus 30. So let's go to the browser, hit it. Here our sad face is ready, right? So our happy face and sad face is ready. Now we need to check the angry okay face. Okay face, for okay face the same thing, the only difference is that mouth, and for okay face we will draw only a straight line like this. Okay, so for that we need to check the type of mode. If type of mode equals to okay, then we're going to move the pen ctx move to by using that move to method to say start x minus 20 and say 100. Okay, so that means this is a start x, right? So we need to move that start x from here, so that's why x minus start x minus 20 like this, and the coordinates y coordinates 200. Okay, so let's go to the browser, pass this parameter sad instead of sad, then we need to pass okay. Let's refresh it. It's not coming here because we didn't draw any straight line, we just moved that pen. So to draw the straight line we need to use the line to function. So line to function we need to pass the destination positions coordinates. Okay, so ctx dot line to, and here we need to pass the destinations coordinates. Destination coordinates means the endpoints coordinates. Okay, so the y coordinates will be same like that, move to 100. Okay, because it's straight line, right? And start x in, let's set it start x plus 20. Okay, so let's go to the browser, hit it. Here our okay face is ready. Okay, so 3 types of face is already we have created. Now the angry face, so we're going to use same okay face conditions, just on we will change the color of this yellow to red. Okay, so here we are going to check if the type of mode is equals to okay, then the color will be red. Okay, otherwise it will be yellow. Okay, so refresh it. sorry that shouldn't be okay. That will be angry. Okay, so let's go to the browser, refresh it. Yes, it is showing yellow because we are passing okay here, right? So angry. Okay, why this happen? Because here the type of mode is okay only, no angry condition is there, so that's why it's not entering here, and that is why it is not drawing the straight line. So we need to use the or parameter, the type of mode angry. Okay, so let's go to the browser, hit it here, the angry face is there. Okay, so the four emotions are ready: happy, sad, okay, and angry. Now let's take a input type text. So bn input type text box, okay, and set the id is txt mode, value, default value is blank. Go to the browser, the text box is ready here. Okay, let's put some placeholder. How's your mood? Go to the browser here. So here if we type any emotions, moods like sad or okay, and we will draw the smiley on that emotions here. Okay, for that we will use on key up event, we will call get mood function. Okay, so let's go to the scripts and create a function get mood. Okay, so first it will take the mood, that is document dot get element by id txt mood dot value. Okay, here why it is showing red color, because this is arrow sign. So this is a mood, and based on that mood we will draw the smiley, right? The smiley mood. So here we'll check if mood is equals to happy or sad or angry. Okay, so that will draw this mood, otherwise else it will always draw a okay face. So let's go hit this browser. Okay, happy, sad. So here you can see we need to clear the previous draw. The border of this circle is getting darker and darker every time because we are not erasing the previous drawing. So we need to clear our previous draw. And how can we clear that? We have to write a function for clear canvas. Here we need to pass two parameter canvas and context. Okay, so here ctx dot clear rect, this function will help us to clear this. We need to pass the start parameter, start coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinates, and width. What will be the width of this? That is canvas dot width, and height canvas height. Okay, and we need to call it just before this draw smiley, just need to call it from here. Okay, so let's go to the browser. It's not coming anything. So I'm getting error because cannot read property call clear rect of undefined, because we are not passing any canvas or context, right? So we need to pass this canvas element and the context of that canvas, right? Go to the browser, refresh it, see everything, the error is not again. So let's do it again. Sad, angry, okay is by default there. Happy. For case sensitive means we can change, we need to change it here to lower case, so it will resolve that issue. Happy, yes, okay, angry, okay. So let's set the by default not angry to the loading time is happy. So yes, the happy face is there. So that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Now it's your time to draw more different emoji by yourself. If you face any issue, you can write us in our comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button. We will come up with more exciting example, and you can also suggest us on which topic we can make videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe us, and also hit the bell icon to get notified for the latest video. Thank you.